In today's world, wars are no longer decided only by soldiers facing each other on a battlefield. Modern wars begin long before the first bullet is fired, inside secret laboratories, underground facilities, classified military bases, and highly secured command rooms where decisions are made in silence. The United States Army is widely known as one of the most powerful military forces in the world, but what people see publicly is only a fraction of the real picture. Behind official statements, parades, and press briefings exists another reality, a hidden world of weapons so advanced and so dangerous that many of them remain secret. The United States has always believed that secrecy itself is a weapon. When an enemy does not know what you possess, how fast you can strike, or how you can attack, fear becomes a powerful advantage. Throughout history, from the Manhattan Project to stealth aircraft, the U.S. military has relied on hidden technologies to change the outcome of wars. Today, that tradition continues with weapons far beyond anything seen before. One of the most dangerous and closely guarded developments in modern warfare is hypersonic weapon technology. These weapons travel at speeds faster than Mach 5, more than 5 times the speed of sound. At such extreme velocities, traditional missile defense systems struggle to detect, track, or intercept them. Unlike ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons can maneuver during flight, change direction, and fly at unpredictable altitudes. This makes them almost impossible to stop. The U.S. Army has acknowledged the existence of hypersonic programs, but their true range, accuracy, and operational deployment remain classified. Military experts believe these weapons could strike targets thousands of kilometers away within minutes, disabling enemy command centers before any response is possible. Another category of secret weapons does not rely on explosions at all. Directed energy weapons, including high-energy lasers and microwave systems, represent a new form of invisible firepower. These weapons use concentrated energy instead of bullets or missiles. They can silently disable drones, destroy sensors, burn through electronic systems, and neutralize incoming threats almost instantly. Unlike conventional weapons, directed energy systems leave little physical evidence behind. The U.S. Army has shown limited versions of these weapons, but their true combat capabilities are still hidden from the public. Artificial intelligence has also become one of the most powerful yet least understood tools of modern warfare. AI is now deeply integrated into battlefield analysis, surveillance, logistics, and targeting systems. Advanced algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, predict enemy movements, and recommend strike options in real time. While military officials state that humans remain in control, many details about AI-driven combat systems remain classified. In future wars, decisions may be made at machine speed, far faster than any human commander could react. The skies themselves have become a silent battlefield. The U.S. Army operates advanced drones, but many of its most capable unmanned systems are never publicly displayed. Stealth drones are believed to operate at extreme altitudes, evading radar and remaining invisible while gathering intelligence deep inside hostile territory. Some of these drones are not only observers but also precision strike platforms, capable of waiting for hours or even days before attacking a target. Their ability to strike without risking human pilots makes them one of the most feared tools of modern warfare. Beyond Earth, space has become a critical military domain. The U.S. military relies heavily on satellites for communication, navigation, intelligence gathering, and missile detection. These space-based systems allow commanders to monitor global movements, guide precision strikes, and respond to threats almost instantly. While officially described as defensive, the true capabilities of military satellites remain classified. Control of space is now essential for dominance on the ground, in the air, and at sea. Not all deadly weapons cause visible destruction. Electronic warfare and cyber weapons can silently cripple an enemy without firing a single shot. The U.S. Army possesses advanced capabilities to jam radar systems, disrupt communications, and disable enemy command networks. Cyber operations can shut down power grids, transportation systems, and military infrastructure, paralyzing an opponent before physical combat even begins. These invisible attacks may leave no ruins behind, but their impact can be devastating. Another powerful yet often overlooked weapon is psychological and information warfare. Modern conflicts are not only fought with missiles and tanks, but also with narratives, perception, and fear. By influencing public opinion, spreading confusion, and weakening enemy morale, wars can be shaped without large-scale battles. Information itself has become a strategic weapon. The reason these weapons remain secret is simple. Revealing too much would allow adversaries to develop countermeasures. Secrecy ensures strategic surprise, technological superiority, and deterrence. The most dangerous weapons are not always those that destroy cities, but those that prevent wars from starting or force enemies to think twice before acting. As technology continues to evolve, the future of warfare will look nothing like the wars of the past. Conflicts will be faster, quieter, and far more complex. Autonomous systems, AI-driven decisions, space-based platforms, and invisible energy weapons will define the battlefields of tomorrow. What the public knows about modern military power is limited. What exists behind closed doors may be far more advanced than we can imagine. One thing is certain, the nature of war has changed forever, and the deadliest weapons are not always the ones you can see.